Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question using place value. You are given 4 cards. The values on the cards are 4, 8, 2 and 7. And you're told that you're going to use 3 of these cards, so it could be any 3 of these cards, to make a 3-digit number. Each card can only be used once, and you're told that the 4 is put in the tens column. You've got to write down the lowest 3-digit number that you can make, and this will give you 1 mark in the exam. So you need to write your answer in these 3 boxes here. You need to think about your key facts. So you need to know that the word digit means a number. So these numbers here are all digits. So don't be put off by this word digit. It just means a number. We've got thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So these are our place value. Now we've only got a 3-digit number. So we've got the ones, tens and hundreds column. We only need to deal with these first 3 values here. Now you're told that you've got 4 tens. So the tens column is this middle one here. So that means in the middle, you're going to be placing this 4 tens. Then you're going to work out what values you need to put in which order to get the lowest. Press pause, have a go at working out the answer. Press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Fantastic. So hopefully you should have spotted that the 4 tens goes in the 10 column, which is in the middle. Now you've got to make the lowest, which means the smallest value. So the smallest number up here is the number 2. So the 2 goes at the front. We've used the 2, we've used the 4, I've got an 8 and a 7 left. So 8 is bigger than 7, so I'm going to ignore the 8 and I'm going to use the 7 and I'm going to put that as the last digit. Give yourself a big tick if you wrote 247. Well done. The mark scheme on this question shows there's 1 M, 1 method mark for getting the correct answer, 247. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.